You're welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve questions on ratio. If x ratio y equals to 3:2 and y ratio z equals to 5:4, find the value of x in the ratio x ratio y ratio z. Y question 2014 question 30. Now let's solve it. X ratio y equals to 3:2, y ratio z equals to 5:4. We need to combine this ratio so that to give us x ratio y ratio z. Okay, now x which is 3, y is 2 according to the first ratio x ratio y. Then according to the second ratio y ratio z, y is 5, yz is 4. Okay, now that y, they are different. One is 2, one is 5. We need to look for a way to combine them so that they will become 1. So that it will not be 2 and 5 again. It will become the same thing. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to use the 5 in the second y to multiply 3 and 2, and the 2 in the first y to multiply 5 and 4. So 5 times 3 will give us 15, 5 times 2 will give us 10, 2 times 5 will give us 10, 2 times 4 will give us 8. So you can now see that y have the same thing now. So x ratio y ratio z is now 15 ratio 10. You can see they are the same now, ratio 8. So that is the final answer. So the value of x in the ratio is 15. Now look at this question. If the ratio x ratio y is 3:5, y ratio z is 4:7, find the ratio x ratio y ratio z. Solve it and leave the answer in the comment section. Now let's go to another question. If x ratio y equals to 1/4 ratio 3/8 and y ratio z equals to 1/3 ratio 4/9, find x ratio z. Now this is fraction, so we are going to use the same method. X is 1/4, y is 3/8 for the first one. For the second one, y is 1/3, yz is 4/9. So which means we need to merge that y. They have to be the same thing. So what can we do to do that? We use 1/3 to multiply the first one and use 3/8 to multiply the second one. So when we use to multiply it, that will give us 1/12. The second one will give us 3/24. So 3/8 multiplied by 1/3, that's 3/24, and that will give us 1/6. So to change it to whole number, multiply everything by 12. We don't need that y. So multiply everything by 12, and that will give us 1:2. We don't need that y. So that gives us x ratio z. Thank you for watching.